Okay, yeah. All right, we're on. We're live.
All right, yeah, we're done. Let's do this.
Welcome to Dean Bros. We're playing Halo 1.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's activate explosions will increase. Explosion radius will increase, but 2 times. Okay, that's terrifying. Yeah.
Let's do that. Yeah. Enemies throw and drop more grenades. That sounds like fun.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah,
Sounds like a terrifying nightmare with the increased explosion radius.
Right. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I am Queen Elizabeth. Okay, let's do this. All right. It's just vocal exercises. I don't know.
What?
It's just vocal
I
exercises.
heard Ericonical sizes.
No, I said I am Queen Elizabeth.
No,
All
no.
right, let's do this.
No, I heard that. It was you saying I'm doing vocal exercises. I don't know. I heard Ericonical sizes. I don't know. Change the quality.
I can't do it. I can't do it during a cutscene.
What? Really?
Not during a cutscene. Yeah, it's only during gameplay.
Not even the directional buttons?
No, I can't. So let's just deal with the cutscene for now, and then we'll just change it.
That's so awful.
I don't know why you don't like these new cutscenes or these new graphics.
Because they really diminish what the original game was.
I think we
okay.
both know the answer to that.
Hi guys. Oh, there's people watching us.
We made a blind jump. How did they...
Get here first. The Covenant
Who's
ships
ever watching
have
us?
always
Hi.
been faster. As for tracking us all the way from Reach, at light speed, my
Come on, you
motions
guys.
were
We're gonna play this
We were
before the
running
big one
dark,
comes
yes.
out. So
limited.
Yeah.
Until we decelerated, no one could have missed the hole we tore in subspace.
get us back in the mood again.
Okay, for people who don't know science,
They were waiting for
they're
us on the
saying
far
that they
side of the
tried to
planet.
flee from the enemy
So,
while jumping through
Our fighters
space,
are
and
mopping
they
up the
somehow
last of the
followed.
recon series.
Yeah, they tracked them. I
Yeah.
thought. Yeah.
But I've isolated approach signatures for multiple CCS-class battle groups. Make it 3 capital ships per group. And in about 90 seconds, they'll be all over us.
well, that's it then. Bring the ship back up to Combat Alert Alpha. I want everyone at their station.
Everyone?
Everyone.
It's like condition 1 throughout the ship.
And Cortana,
Hmm?
let's give our old friends a warm welcome.
I've already begun.
Attention all combat personnel. Please report to your action station.
Yeah, these graphics look fine, dude.
No, they
get,
don't.
I don't get why you don't like them.
They look awful.
Why? There's more
lighting-
lights and more
The
color.
lighting and shape awful.
This platoon secure airlocks on deck 11. 14th platoon rendezvous with 22nd Tactical at Bulkhead Charlie.
Where are they
4.
running? They're both going in 2 different directions.
You heard the lady. Move like you got a purpose.
This is not a drill.
Only had
I
the,
repeat,
the one
this
mod
is not
on.
a drill.
Oh, the cursed
The
mod?
curse mod, yeah.
Once again, it is our job to finish what the fly boys started. We are leaving this ship platoon and engaging the Covenant on solid ground. When we meet the enemy, we will rip their skulls from their spines and toss them away, laughing. Am I right, Marines? Sir, yes, sir. Damn right I am. Now move it out. Double time.
Attention all personnel.
Johnson's so
We are
awesome.
Yeah, he's so great.
external
I fucking
and
love
internal
Johnson.
contacts imminent.
I miss him.
I want to give him Bubblicious.
All you greenhorns who wanted to see Covenant up close, this is gonna be your lucky day.
What a beautiful man. Even though they kind of
I
whitewashed
just joined the
him.
military to be a mechanic, dude.
Even though they
Right.
kind of whitewashed him in the
Let's thaw him
HD
out.
version.
Okay.
Okay, I will change the graphics when the gameplay
Cracking the
kicks
case in
on.
30
Jesus.
seconds. He's hot. Blowing the pins in 5.
Damn right he is.
You did log in, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah, we're doing co-op. Okay, cool. And you're Kelly.
Yeah.
Come on, we've got to get the hell out of here.
All right, there. You happy?
Sierra.
Nope.
This way.
What are you talking about? What are you doing?
Sensitivity's way too weak.
Oh, your sensitivity. Oh, okay.
Hello, brother. Brother.
My brother.
Fuck my ass, brother.
We know exactly where to go.
Look at that ass.
I know, right?
Captain Keyes.
What the hell was that?
Good to see you, Master Chief.
The guy just like
Things
ran
aren't
past
going
behind
well.
me like
Cortana did her best, but we never really had a chance.
A dozen Covenant superior battleships against a single house cruiser. With those odds, I'm content with 3. Make that 4 kills. Sleep well?
No thanks.
He has
to your
Raziel's
driving.
hair.
Yes.
So you did miss me.
No, just early 2000s.
You got Raziel's hair.
Early 2000 crop top.
It must have been one of their boarding parties. I'd guess an antimatter charge.
Ma'am, fire control for the main offline.
Captain, the my last offensive option.
All right, then. I'm initiating Cold Protocol Article 2. We're abandoning the Autumn. Which is where you come in, Chief. Get Cortana off this ship. Keep her safe from the enemy. If they capture her, they'll learn everything. Force deployment, weapons research, Earth.
I understand.
Oh my god!
Are you ready?
Yank me.
With pleasure.
Good luck, Master Chief.
Your architecture isn't much different from the Autumn's.
Don't get any funny ideas.
I don't keep it loaded, son. You'll have to find ammo as you go.
He gave me the gun. Yay. Gun!
Shoot me?
Down, there's 2 of us in here now, remember? Those Marines could use some help, Chief. Do what you do best.
Marines! Oh god, everyone's throwing grenades! Everyone's throwing grenades!
Oh my god, they're all dead.
Hello, everyone's dead.
They're all
Good job, Marines! Good job, Marines. Hello.
They're all dead. Oh my god, that's so funny. I got the med kit. Oh, fuck you.
Okay, so it's...
What the hell? Did something just hit us? Move it! Back to the
Hey, guys.
Mommy! Mommy!
Fire in the hole!
Hey, what the?
Did you not hear that the blast radius is stronger?
They're using our lifeboat
Where'd my pistol
airlocks to
go?
attach their boarding
No!
craft.
Where'd my pistol
We
go?
go out and they come in.
Where the fuck did it go?
Bastards.
Oh no, 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 no.
What was he doing? He was just dozing off.
Plasma, Eric.
Oh, this music.
Taking fire! What the hell?
Oh, god damn.
These grenades.
Firing!
I got you.
Oh, this is
This is horrifying.
Everyone throw grenades! Back up! Back up!
Oh shit!
Oh my god! We're not even doing anything.
No, we're not.
This is a roller coaster ride. This is all it is. Watch out! Behind you! Watch out!
Oh shit! No! Let's get the fucking shield.
Please.
We're gonna fucking need these. Oh god, this music. It's so good.
So class.
I know, so class. Where the fuck do we go?
Over here.
Oh.
Ooh, pistol.
Yes! No, no, no! You took my pistol! You stop it! You stop it! You
I will
stop
kill
it!
you with
You
this
stop it! You stop
I will kill you.
You stop it! You hold still! Ah! Get him! Hello! Get off!
Covenant, on the landing above us.
Oh god, I hear nothing but explosions.
Oof. You good?
No!
Obama. Oh god, the throw grenades! The throw grenades!
Uh-oh.
What the heck is this?
Oh Jesus! The fuck? Wait, did you grabbed?
No, pistol right here. Pistol right
Where?
here.
Thank you. Jesus.
I kill you from behind.
Oh, I would have knocked you out.
Ah.
Oh, fuck. Because remember, they drop more grenades, too.
Yeah. No, no, back up!
Ah! Oh, shit!
Everyone's dead. Even the shield.
I get the med kit up here.
Prepare to abandon ship. Combat teams. Repel
Oh, it's not over here? Oh, it's right here.
Yeah, it's right there.
This is fucking
The
terrifying.
life pods are launching. We should hurry.
Jesus.
This game was actually pretty scary in the beginning.
Yeah, it was. It was trying to be.
Oh, hello.
Dude, what are you doing? You're in my way.
Will, stop locking up with me.
You're the one blocking up me.
I'll block up that.
Listen here, man. Listen, I swear to God. I'm not shooting at you! Oh, fuck.
Oh, God!
This is gonna be a nightmare in the library.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh, Jesus!
Hey.
Wait. They're in the hole!
Ah!
Arrgh!
Didn't kill anyone.
Oh, fuck! Oh, shit!
Hello?
The damage to the superstructure is extensive. I don't know how much more abuse they ought to
The damage to the structure is extensive. It's like there's just so many grenades everywhere.
You keep going until there's no one. Oh, God.
Ah, shit! The fuck, man? Why did you do that?
One last lifeboat. Quickly, get aboard
Oh,
before it
shit.
launches.
You just need to run over there.
I was trying to get over there.
Now would leave.
Punch it.
Punch it.
Ah, sir. We're disengaged, going for minimum safe distance.
We're gonna make it, aren't we, sir? I don't want to die out here.